Lunges. Self-explanatory, just like the front lunge, just like the back lunge, except we're going to take it to the side. Abs nice and tight, hands on hips. I always stress hands on hips because I don't want you using your arms for balance, I want you using this. Big step out to the side, we lunge to the side, and we come back up to center. Notice, this leg stays straight, I take a big step out, and I'm driving off this heel, to get me back center, okay? We're using quads, we're using hamstrings, we're using glutes. Out to the side, back up. You can make this exercise a little bit harder, increase the intensity and your core balance by coming up and lifting your foot. I'm coming down, notice my foot is not touching the ground anymore. This is how you can make this exercise a little bit harder, okay? Out to the side, driving up. Okay, leg is doing a lot of work because it's got to get you from here to here. This is a high rep exercise. I like having my clients do it about 20 on each leg, back and forth. You can also alternate side to side. That's your side lunge. Remember, core is tight, hands on hips. I want you balancing using this. Whatever leg you're not stepping out with, stays straight. Big step out to the side, driving off that heel, back to center where you're up nice and tall. There's your side lunge.